Hey everyone, if you want your Shopify store to look completely unique, yeah, building a custom theme is the way to go. In this video, I'll walk you through the overall process. A Shopify theme controls your store's layout, design, and structure. I mean, everything from homepage to product pages. First, create a Shopify development store. This lets you build safely without affecting your live store. Next, install Shopify CLI. Yeah, this tool helps you create and manage themes locally. Use Shopify CLI to generate a new theme. I mean, Dawn is a popular starting point for customization. Now edit theme files. Work with liquid templates, JSON sections, CSS, and JavaScript. Adjust layout, headers, product grids, and sections. Yeah, this is where your store's personality comes to life. Use CLI Preview or Theme Editor Preview. I mean, always check responsiveness and usability. Keep the theme lightweight. Optimize images, reduce scripts, and avoid unnecessary animations. Once satisfied, upload and publish the theme. Yeah, then monitor user behavior and conversions. And that's the big picture. Building a custom Shopify theme takes effort, but it gives you full creative control.